Take a sheet of newspaper and fold it in half. And then fold it in half again. And then trim a bit off of the end. Take what's left and fold it in half one more time. And then you're going to set it like you're opening a book, and take the top flap and unfold it a bit and fold that down into a triangle. Flip over the flap and repeat and make that triangle fold once again. Flip that back over. And then take the top flap and fold it to the center, and then fold it again to meet the center. Repeat on the other side. And then flip that over and do that once again. You'll have a little triangle piece on the bottom, fold that up and crease it, and then unfold it. And then flip it over and do the same. Take the top flap and fold it over, and then flip it over and do the same on the other side. Open that up, flatten the bottom, and then fold those top flaps in, and the soil will hold the flaps in once you fill up your paper pot. Now you can take a piece of the newspaper that you cut off. Take a little bottle, here I'm using a little spray bottle. Wrap it up around the bottle, not too tight. And if you want to make it easy, you can put a little piece of tape on there to hold the seam. Fold the bottom up. And again, if you want to put a little piece of tape on there to hold it, pull out the bottle, and there you have another little newspaper pot for your seedlings.